What is up, YouTube? I'm here with my nigga George. We made a little memorial.
Hey, Dan, what about those scissors?
In loving memory of Gustavo Elmer.
Lopez.
Respect. And if you can't see this,
When you're right
poor
there.
bird.
Rest in peace, Gustavo.
Oh my God, are you serious? I
feel like
just barely noticed that. I'm about to step
Take a picture by the dead person.
Dude, come on.
Hey!
Blood!
Why is there
Nigga, why is there scissors in there?
What's the
You guys are hella fucked up, bro.
What the fuck?
Give your friend.
By the bench.
In loving memorial
Gustavo
Elmer Lopez.
Ah, bitch.
Please respect the honor.
Gustavo was a great man. He fucked his wife.
It's a birdie, stupid idiot.
That's not.
Feel free to
He
leave
fucked his wife.
him.
Got kids. He died because somebody stabbed him.
Elmer Lopez. That's what it said, Lopez.
We love you, Gustavo. Oh my God, who did that shit?
Why you step on his face? Hey! Dude!